Today we are going to now open page number 89, worksheet 16. E. Answer the following. Answer the following. We have written up to question number 3rd. Today we are going to see the question 4th. Why do stars appear like tiny lamps? Why do stars appear like tiny lamps? So the answer, the stars except sun. The stars are far, far away. The stars are far, far away from the earth. That is why their rays that is why their rays do not reach us. Do not reach us. So they appear like tiny lamps. They appear like tiny lamps. So now next question, right? So first you see the stars except sun, because the sun is closer than the other stars. Sun is also the star, but it is closer than the other stars. So the stars are far, far away from the earth. That is why their rays do not reach us. So they appear like tiny lamps. So now next question, right? What are constellations? Name any two. Number 5th, you write. What are constellations? So the groups of stars, the groups of stars in the sky are called constellations. Are called constellations. In groups, In groups, stars are arranged in groups. Stars are arranged in specific patterns. In specific patterns. Examples. Examples of constellations. Examples of the constellations. It is, see the page number 87. It is given. One is the Orion. Orion, Hunter. One important is there. The Saptarshi. It is very important. Saptarshi, and you write Hunter, etc. These are the examples of the constellations. So the groups of stars in the sky are called constellations. In groups, stars are arranged in a specific pattern. Examples of constellations are Orion, Saptarshi, Hunter, etc. So now last question. How many stars can our eyes how many stars can our eyes see on a clear dark night? Its answer is given in page number 87. So sixth question you write, on a clear little more downside. So this is sixth question. On a clear dark night, on a clear dark night, our eyes can see our eyes can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. Stars in the sky. So, on a clear dark night, our eyes can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. So these are the only three questions remain. So after writing, you learn these questions. This is for today. Next day. So syllabus is over. So next time we will start the revision. We will start revision from the first lesson. So you prepare for the revision. Thank you. That's for today only.